nagbotohan, majority wag na ituloy ang trial kay impeachment trial. Ano ang mangyayari? May violation ba? May paglabag ba ang impeachment court sa ating saligang batas?
Ang sinabi po ng Supreme Court, forthwith means reasonable time. Hindi sinabi ng Supreme Court the forthwith will never, forthwith means they will never convene themselves as an impeachment court. Okay? Kasi ang sinabi ng Constitution, maniwanag. The constitutional command is that the Senate must constitute themselves as an impeachment court. Okay? Sinabi
So
ng
that
Supreme
means
Court,
dapat may trial.
dapat meron trial. Okay, meron trial. They could not escape the fact na sinasabi ng Supreme Court na reasonable time, no? Ang sabi ng Supreme Court reasonable time. Hindi naman sinabi ng Supreme Court na wag silang mag-trial. Okay? So they have to, whether they like it or not, in my opinion, is they have to constitute themselves as an impeachment court before this Congress ends, no? The 20th Congress ends. They have to constitute themselves as an impeachment court. Otherwise, they will be violating a constitutional duty.
Meron nga daw bang administrative at criminal offense sa laban sa nila pagka hindi po nagsagawa ng supposed to be, dapat ay mandatory na obligasyon nila magkaroon ng trial?
Ang disciplinary sanctions ng mga senador is sa Committee on Ethics. Okay? So, it is a decision of peers. Yan po, no?
Okay.
Yan ang sa Ethics Committee, but criminal sanctions I would not say that there is, no.